Today's quick review is going to be on how to get rid of brake squeal or loud screeching brakes. So I'm going to replace my brake pads, which are old and worn out, with these new Robestos advanced technology brake pads. And on the back of the brake pads, I'm going to put this, it's called CRC Brake Quiet, and it's supposed to absorb all the sound and vibrations.
If you all want to check out these awesome parts for dirt cheap, be sure to click in the link in the description below.
So I just got done applying the disc brake compound to the back of these brake pads. You're going to make sure that you don't put them on the brake pad itself, and make sure that it's actually on the shim. So there's a little thin metal plate that goes around it. It almost looks like I'm putting on the back of the brake pad itself, but I'm not. There's actually a metal shim, and you want to make sure that you only apply the disc brake quiet stuff onto the back of the shim. So
Well, I hope y'all enjoyed my video. If y'all have any questions, be sure to comment below. But as always, thank y'all for watching.